Show you how to convert a JPEG file format into a RAW file format, which is necessary for posting an image online. I'm starting off in Adobe Bridge, where I organize my images and access my images. I'm going to take this picture here of the corner of my living room, which I shot in RAW format, and highlight it. You can see here to the bottom left of the image, it says RAF, which means it was shot in Fuji. That's going to change depending on the camera make. Canon would be CRW, Nikon NEF, Olympus ORF, Sony ARW, etc. In Bridge, I need to click on the Open Camera Raw icon, which looks like a small aperture. And that will open up the image in Camera Raw. You can see I've already edited the image here. Today, I'm just going to show you how to convert that and save the image by clicking on this icon of the little rectangle with the downward pointing arrow in the upper right hand corner of Camera Raw. When I click on that, this dialog box appears and I have a number of choices. The first choice is, where do I want to put that image? I can click on this to find that. What do I want to title that image? What format do I want to convert that raw image into? The color space, the bit depth, etc. And also how big that image should be outputted. I could either leave this alone and it would come out fairly large, or I could resize to fit smaller, which is usually necessary when posting online because it makes the upload faster. Once I've set all of those settings, I just simply click Save, and it exports it to my desktop. You can see that happening right here. And in the next video, I will show you how to post that on Canvas. Have a wonderful day.